Well, technically, this buoy should supposed to float on the water. Let me just see if it works. Perfect. And just like old times, I am putting this dip 6 in the water. Okay. Deep 6 looks phenomenal underwater. Well, hello Joe fans. Today we will be reviewing one of the most coolest G.I. Joe action figure. And appearance wise, he is one of the classic ones. Yes, you are right. He's Deep 6. Let me just quickly read his information. Well, his real name is Malcolm R, and his rank is that of Navy Petty Officer Second Class. Deep Six was born in Baltimore, Maryland. Deep Six primary military specialty is diver, and his secondary military specialty is small craft pilot, motorized. He likes to be alone, preferably down in the ocean depths. He was one of the 12 out of 50 applicants who passed the strict requirements for the position of the Joe team diver. Eight more washed out in the practical application testing, and of the four finalists, Deep Six could hold his breath the longest. Actually, this particular figure released by Fun School, but earlier versions are first it was released in 1984 with the vehicle in United States. Well, later the new version of Deep Six was released in 1989. Well, after that this Eco Warrior version came in year 1992, and articulation, his hip rotates because of o-ring, knees can bend 90-degree, hands having this limitation because of his this diving suit having this elbow joint here. Head can go up and down only this much, and can rotate because of ball joint, can rotate on either side. This hose is going from this particular suit area from his neck onwards. Is having some sort of remote control or some sort of control he's having on his wrist. His belt is brownish red in color, having some pockets here, wearing red gloves, and also having few more pockets here on his front side of the thigh. Well, on his right thigh, this knife is very well detailed knife is there in case of emergency, because he is a deep sea diver. His shins are having this some sort of pattern here, green pattern, and he is wearing this classic divers boots. Just putting his accessories on, his backpack, his pink helmet. Okay, very nice and tight. Nothing is loose. Standard G.I. Joe hose and his buoy. I've tried this, putting it on the water. It actually floats like this way. Just like the Toxo Viper, I put this particular figure in my fish tank for several days, but still it stands very true. Even after 19 years or maybe around that. MOC Deep 6 Deep Sea Diver. Here you go. Wonderful card art. Look at him here. So this is his gun that I was talking about. Okay. Well, here you can clearly see the package includes buoy, air hose, gun, helmet, shoes. No wonder which shoes they are talking about, and backpack. Okay. Do not see any shoes in this particular pack though. Okay, and here is our card from behind. Wonderful, wonderful packaging. Brings back a lot of childhood memories, um, you know. So that's it, guys. That's it about Deep Six Divers. But one thing I would like to tell you here, well, out of his all versions, this is the best version, I believe, of Deep Six Deep Sea Diver GI Joe. So if you like this video, please like, and if you want to support my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I need your love and support. So thank you very much for watching, and remember one thing, guys. Yo Joe.